Oppo A83 sports a 5.7-inch Full HD plus 720 by 1440 pixels LCD show with a 18:9 perspective proportion. The telephone is fueled by an octa-center processor, MediaTek 6763T timed at 2.5 GHz, coupled 32 GB of inbuilt stockpiling that is expandable by means of microSD card up to 256 GB. The Oppo A83 highlights a 13-megapixel raise camera sensor with grove streak and a 8-megapixel front camera. The telephone has 4G bolster, a 3.5mm earphone jack, a miniaturized scale USB port, Bluetooth 4.2, and facial acknowledgment innovation. The telephone utilizes another facial acknowledgment innovation that, Oppo claims, can open the telephone inside 0.18 seconds utilizing 128 exceptional element focuses on the client's face.